Yeah, this restaurant is already closed. Yeah, and I'm actually very thirsty now. I don't know where is it going. Yeah, we end up here. Some shops and restaurant here. Yeah, I'm actually waiting for my burger in this cafe and takeaway shop. Yeah, this is the actually yeah this is the final destination of the bus coming from Sydney or coming from other parts of Port Stephen or Newcastle. Yeah, this is the final destination. Yeah, Pingle Bay. Yeah, so basically the main center of Port Stephen is the Nelson Bay and Salamander area, because that is where you're going to find the shopping mall. Yeah, this is the bus stop, the main bus stop of Pingle Bay. Yeah, mate. And from there you can already see the sea. You can surf, swim and sunbathing and do other water activities that you want in there. Yeah, the rest of the place are residential area already. Yeah, this is a very nice quiet place. There's nothing much to do aside from sports. Yeah, most of the Australian, they like sports. Wow, there is one rabbit there. Look, another rabbit. Amazing. Rabbits are everywhere here. Nice. And we're going to have a look here. Yeah, boardwalk. We'll go back because I am wearing short. I am afraid, I'm scared with a snake. They can easily bite my legs. It's another day for you. Give me paradise. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but you know, the color of the trees are now different. Some gray, some white, some green, and some brown. That makes this mountain good looking. Yeah, but if you know the story, that was burned last month, and that is white colors like that. Yeah. It is now 6:30 in the morning. I wake up at around 3:30. Yeah. Yeah, mate. Like yesterday. And by this time I'm already hungry. I already had a coffee at around 3:30, 4 o'clock, something like that. Yeah, mate. And now I am hungry and I cook this. This is rice and egg. And at the moment I am writing a blog. Yeah. Hey guys, good afternoon. No, good morning. It's still 10 o'clock in the morning. And at the moment I am here in the middle of Tomari Park. Yeah. Yeah, this is my first time here. So there is access going there, but I don't know where is it going. And there is another access here. And you know, there is one car in there. There is a group of teenagers inside the car, maybe 6 people. Yeah, and they greet me. And I'm now a little scared. Maybe they do something like a trippings to me, but you know, I think they are good. I don't know, mate. So now I am thinking of going here, but the way is, I mean, the soil is not even. It looks difficult to access. But I'm going to try. Yeah, we will be walking. until we reach the nice sand. I mean the sand that is possible to drive. I can hear a car. Yeah, a camper. You know, today I wear a trouser, yeah, for safety. You know what also not good today is that I didn't able to charge my bike. Yeah, so now at the moment it has just two bar of battery. It's like this. The end is like this. How am I going to get up in here? Look at that, there's a pool of sand. How am I going to get up there? Yeah, man, it is impossible for me to get up. For sure this sand is very soft. But you know, we will just have a look what is in there. It's okay, the sand will go inside my shoes. Look how far more. And my bike is there. Look at this. If you are here, it looks scary. You see nothing but just a sand. Look at down there. For sure, you know, in every place like this, there will always be a surprise. Look at that. My bike is there. Whew. And this is the Tomari Park, a forest, a bushland. And this is how it looks like here in the top. Amazing. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, and we are still very far to the beach. I'm not going to get there because you know the bike is down there. Nice. So this is like a table of sand, pure sand, white sand. Amazing. And look at this. How steep is this? It is very scary to drive here. Cars runs very quick, very fast. Yeah, we reached this place. I've been here before during the my first few days here in Nelson Bay. Yeah, I've been here. Yeah, and there is a lagoon on that side. Yeah, and this is the shortcut going to Salamander Shopping Center, coming from Samurai Backpacker Guest House where I used to stay before. Yeah, and that is the highway. Yeah, it's very, very dangerous in the highway. The cars, trucks, they are running very fast. I can still feel the sand inside my shoes. There's a lot inside. The last time when I passed here, there are people fishing. There's some duck. I am now hungry. For sure we're going to end up at KFC or McDonald's. KFC. Yeah, he tried my bike. Yeah, but it's low, but now when it's fully charged, it feels good when you are riding it.
And you just turn it up to turn
Yeah, yeah, now it's up. So that guy, he tried my bike, and I think he's from Myanmar or Vietnam or Thailand, not Malaysian, not Indonesian, not Filipino, of course. Yeah, he sounds like from Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Vietnam. Yeah, I didn't ask the nationality because most of the Australian, they are not asking the nationality of the stranger. And we are now here, so that one is a church, and we are now here in the Salamander Shopping Center. We are going to the Anytime Fitness. We'll ask how much is the membership. Yeah, I didn't able to ask. I am shy.